Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Hello, family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me in another episode. Today, I'm in Davie, Florida, and I'm with Miss Barbara. She's giving me a short tour of her animal farm. It's a really beautiful farm, guys, and I especially love this lake that runs through it. Miss Barbara was telling me earlier that she facilitates different events on the farm. So if there are persons watching this who may want to have an event, please feel free to go ahead and contact Miss Barbara. I'm going to put her number on the screen so you can reach out to her if you want to do that. So Miss Barbara was telling me that her animals included goats and ducks and turkeys and free-range chickens, what we call common fowl in Jamaica. So Miss Barbara says she no longer sells eggs.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you sell fowl?
No.
Common? Oh.
No.
Oh.
Unless me want one fowl to eat.
Oh.
Me a common fowl lover.
Guys, what Miss Barbara is saying is that she doesn't usually sell the free-range chickens or the common fowls, as we say in Jamaica. But you never know. Go ahead, ask her when you come. I would say wear your sneakers in case you have to chase it around the farm. So here we have turkeys, guys. We have turkeys there. We have the goats in this section. In fact, it's big enough to house quite a few animals.
You saw life gone? You see this goat? He might come from over the whole farm. And no matter how me come here, can stand up and just come right, I can stand up and look for
That's
me.
a pet.
I like these animals. I like the environment in which they are raised. And you know, I would feel very confident eating these animals. Guys, remember, this is a very short tour.
Nah, left till me left, you know.
So you have goats here, Miss Barbara?
Yes,
you
not
have...
for sale though. We do more petting.
Okay.
Because people are going to come in, come by. I will not kill. When me do over the other side, would have kill. But this, I'm more... Oh.
Guys, we have reached the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please give this video a thumbs up for me. And if you need to reach out to Miss Barbara, her number is on the screen. Until next time, ciao! Guys, we've just about come to the end of the tour. Thank you so much for your company. If you need to reach out to Miss Barbara with any questions, if you need to make any arrangements, her number is on the screen. Please feel free to reach out. And until next time, ciao!